Hi my angels, welcome back to my session. This is Anamika here and today I am back with a very interesting topic. You guys already know from the title itself. So today I'm going to talk about my nose piercing story, and even I'm going to suggest you to this person because he is really amazing, and even I'm going to share the location, the price and everything. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's get into this video. So let's talk about the history of my nose piercing. This is not the first time I got my piercing. I got it like 4 times before this, and this is the 5th time which got successful. So yeah, let's talk about 2008. So the first experience of my nose piercing, it was in 2008. I went with my mom to a gold showroom, and the people over there working, they had this nose piercing counter. So I asked them if they can do my nose piercing, and they said yes. It was like an instant plan for me, and just because I saw it, they are doing it over there. And I asked my mom, I convinced her, so she said okay fine, go and do it. So when I got my piercing done, it did not work for me because it was on the nerve. If you know what I mean, it was on the nerve itself, and it did pain a lot because when it's on the nerve, it does not heal properly. It takes very long to heal, and that thing happened to me. It took me almost 3 months, and I had weirdest bump ever. It was so big and it was really ugly. So I thought of taking it out. When I took it out, it took me almost a month to heal. So yeah, that was 2008, a very bad experience. They have just sanitized my nose. The ring was already there on my nose, they have just put it with their hand, and that was it. But it did pain because it was not on the proper place. So that was the first story. And then the second time when I got it, it was I wanted to get the nose piercing because I was really attracted towards nose piercing and everything, because on that time nose piercing was really hyped, in 2012 if I'm not wrong. People were getting nose pierced, extra piercing on their ears and everything like that, and I am not a person who can carry a lot of piercing in their ears because I can't even wear this while sleeping. So I'm not a person who can do it a lot in their ears, but yeah, I wanted to get it done on my nose. So I went and they did it with a gunshot. Now what happened? Gunshot never sits properly on your nose. It shakes, the hand shakes, and always the nose piercing goes, a little slanted, and it's terha. To be very honest, it's always terha. So that thing happened. It did heal in 3 days, but I couldn't wear the nose pin because it was not a proper nose piercing. I was not getting the end when I was putting my thumb inside my nose, and it was really difficult to put this thing in. As you can see right here, if I'm just putting this up, it was just like that, and it was not going in. So that was my problem with that piercing. So I was like, okay fine, let it be, nahi karana hai. I just took that out after a week because the material was reacting to my nose. It was giving me again a very ugly bump. So I thought, okay, nahi ho payega, just leave it. So I did that. The third time when I thought of doing it, again I went for a gunshot thing because the person who was doing, she said that it's okay, I will do it, hota hai kabhi kabhi, but I am having that very steady hand, it's not going to shake and all that. But again, it was on the nerve. So this thing was really difficult for me to handle it, and this time I wore it for 6 months. It did not work again. I've again tried wearing gold, and later on I discovered it was not a proper way pierced, so I was again getting that same problem again and again. So I thought, nahi karna hai bhai, छोड़ देते हैं. This time also I left it. I did took it out. So this was my 3 experience with nose piercing, and the 4th one was I thought of getting it done with normal thread and needle, and it did not work again because I was too scared to do that because it was very thick, like mota sa sui tha, and they tried doing it and they got it halfway done. Okay, and I was like, meko nahi karna hai, I'm not going to do it. So I left it just over there and I was like, I'm not getting my piercing done. So it was a half piercing, you can say. So it was my 4.5 piercing story, like 3.5 piercing story. So now let's come to the actual piercing story. So now let's talk about the actual nose piercing, which I got it done on October 23rd, 2019. I actually wanted to get this nose piercing done in 2018 September because the nose piercing proper and perfect time is the fall time or even like the winters because it heals really well. So what happened, me, my nanny, my mom and my brother, we all went for shopping, and even we had some work with the tailor, so we went to New Market, and it just popped into my mind that I can go and get my nose piercing done because I know this person sits over here, he's having a shop, so I want to get it done. My mom, she said, if you want to again go through all those pain, all the troubles you have gone through earlier, if you want to go get it done. I'm not going to stop you. So I was really happy and I said, okay, fine, I'm going to do this. So I went to this person and I was pretty confident about this person because I saw a couple of his videos on YouTube. So I went to him and I said I want to get my nose pierced and I have a history and I don't want to get hurt. So he said, okay, I'm sure you're not going to get hurt because I have a very different procedure, and for me I think he is having a very ancient time thing. I think because earlier maybe people used to get their nose pierced like this because this is the proper technique which he has used. So firstly he had sanitized his hand, which is a very major and important thing, and then he had, you know, like wipe off my nose, and then he got this pin. He asked me if I want to do it with silver or gold dipped, like which is the gold plated one. So I thought, okay, it's better to do it with gold plated because when I'm going to change it, I'm going to wear it gold. So it should not react to my skin and it should have that proper balance of, you know, like gold to gold, not silver to gold, because silver is cold and gold is hot. So you know what I mean. So I never wanted to go through that change. So I said, okay, I'm going to do it with gold dipped thing. So he said, okay. And the charges are like from 200 to 500, maybe above. I don't know about that, but it costed me 500 rupees for getting the nose piercing. So he got his pin out and it was a very actual diamond kind of piercing, like pin. So he took that and he just said, okay, don't worry, just be relaxed, I'm going to do your piercing, I'm not going to hurt you. And I was trusting him like to the bits. So he took out the pin and he started, you know, like he had just sharpened the end with a filer, and then again he sanitized that thing, and he had like, he was finding where the proper place should be for the piercing. So he found that place and he said, just count with me the layers. He asked me to count the layers with him and he just did my piercing and it was very smooth. It was very smooth and I did not get hurt at all. And he even gives you a massage which is very soothing, and it like takes away the little bit of pain. Of course you're going to have a very tiny bit of pain which is bearable because obviously there is something going inside your body, it's going to hurt you, but it did not hurt. On the same time, it did not hurt me at all. So yeah, I hope you know what I mean. So that was it, and now I will like to share all his details here So I'm going to give you his phone number and even the address. So there you go. And even one more thing, when you're going to call him, make sure that you're calling him after 2 o'clock because he's available on his shop that time. And it's better always to call him first and go and visit him because it's easier for him to, like schedule your time according to his work routine. So yeah, that is the one of the main points I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video and this was informative. One more thing, if you are a bride to be, please, I suggest you don't go anywhere, don't go for a gunshot or anything, just go to this person if you're from Kolkata. Like even if you're like traveling from really far, I will like you guys to go and visit him because he's going to do it amazingly. You're going to have a very good experience as I had, and yeah, he's one of perfect body piercing person. Like he's trained in it. If you're planning to get your piercing done, I highly recommend you. If you're from Kolkata, or even if you can fly to Kolkata and get your piercing done, go and get it done with this person. So now I'm going to share the actual day when I got my nose piercing done. I was just getting crazy. I was being crazy while I was getting my nose pierced. It was very childish. It's gonna be a little embarrassing for me too because I was like, oh my god, I'm so happy I got my piercing done. I was like this. So yeah, please excuse me for that. So now I'm not going to blabber much. You can get into the video. And मेरा हमेशा nerve के ऊपर पड़ता है. That's the main reason of. So
मैं देख लेता हूँ. ठीक है. और पहला दो का you be careful. Don't try to. I mean, while wiping and all, don't hurt yourself.
Okay, I can do makeup and all.
You can do anything. Okay. But wiping मत करो, dabbing करो. Okay, dab yourself.
And what medicines I should take for
ointment? You use ointment like Neosporin. It's good. And if you have any infection form, then you can use some antibiotic ointment. Okay, that will work also.
It's gonna be painful.
No pain.
I'm really scared right now. Oh god.
All your scare will go away within a couple of seconds. Okay, it won't take very long. I'll keep your direction open. Yourself. You just be relaxed. Okay.
Yeah.
Just be relaxed.
It won't hurt now.
नहीं रे, चश्मों का.
Okay.
It's painless.
Yeah, I've seen many people giving amazing review about this. It's painless. So I was looking for you. Yeah, मुझे यहीं से करवाना है. Okay, I'm scared now.
नहीं.
Uncle,
I won't do now. जब मैं करूँ तब scared होगा. अभी now just check your layer first.
Okay.
Then accordingly I will.
मेरा नाक काफी मोटा भी है.
क्या भले ऐसे होगा. ऐसे होगा. शाबाश. ये ऐसे रखो. तुम आराम से देखो. फिर पहले तुम्हारा layer check करेगा. ठीक है. तुम्हारा कितना layer है? You can help me out also. Telling me how many layers are there.
Okay, I can't.
No, I'll tell you. Come to know. Hey, so तुम relax बैठो. अभी नहीं करेगा मैं. पहले तुम्हारा एक बार चेकिंग करेगा. किस तरीके की नहीं. जो जब मैं सेटिंग कर रहा हूँ पहले मुझे बताओ कि कौन सा लेयर में किया. ठीक है ना. ये दूसरा. अभी तीसरा है. Not well. Okay, now I'll give you some hair pass. This is called hair pass. Okay. When I give you hair pass, it leaves your skin and the scrubbing effect also goes away. Yeah. So, अभी मैं इसको एक और सेटिंग करेगा. उसके बाद मैं करेगा. अभी आप रिलैक्स हो. ठीक है. Just be relaxed. One second. मेरा आँख बंद करके बैठो. Second. So I can easily write your inner part also. Sorry. repeat it. Move it. Is there any pain? Any
No,
pain?
nothing at all.
Get through.
Oh God, I can't believe this. There was no pain at all. Thank you so much.
Don't come up.
Okay.
That's all. Just be like that. Give it a little massage. So it won't give us swelling. Relax. No swelling नहीं आएगा. Just massage is very helpful. Surrounding massage. Okay. Your fear is gone?
Yes.
एकदम से? You're looking so pretty. देखो अभी आराम से.
Thank you
Much
so
like it.
much. It's so pretty.
Yeah. You're
This
pretty.
is-
That's why you're
Thank
here.
you. I can't believe that I got this done.
Is it shopping?
No, it's really nice. I can feel little bit something, but you know,
Shopping is
it's
there.
yeah, but it's not very painful.
No. Then I'll give you the shopping sense भी मैं खत्म कर दूँगा. How to do it? This way. You have to do air pass. It's called air bubble inside you. That gives you shopping effect. So when I do this, and give you a little massage inside, then shopping effect. So, where are you from, Dhaka?
Yes.
So how come you never knew about it?
Actually, I was looking for some good nose
sir.
piercing people like all over Calcutta. So I found some YouTube videos of yours. Like many girls, they have come to you and they got amazing nose pierced, and they had almost 1 month का पूरा review, and I went through it. Okay, आज first day है, आज second day है, and all that. And I'm a YouTuber myself.
Okay.
So, you know, it was very easy for me to find you.
Okay.
And I was like, मुझे करना है तो हम फिर से करना है. Like since a year, I even called you last year on September, during September. But I couldn't make it because I was really ill. So, finally.
You couldn't gather your guts.
Yeah.
I'm actually a body piercer. I know the body.
Okay.
They see the neck and come to me for the body piercing and they want to do it.
It's amazing. Thank you. Okay, I'll come after a month
Sure.
with the actual.
Whatever you want to change with, come over. I will fix.
Thank you so much. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think it's gonna be really long. I don't know. While editing, I'll come to know how this video went. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up, and I hope this video was informative and it did help you out. For all the brides, I'm telling you 100 times, if you're a bride to be, please go visit this person, and you know, you are going to have the best piercing of your life. So yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Everything is there in the description box. Don't forget to check it out, and even follow me on my social media handles. Everything is right here and even in the description box. So go follow me on all my social media platforms for all the behind the scenes. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.